Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of fishing technology with a comprehensive review of the Garmin STRIKER Vivid 5CV Fishfinder with GPS and transducer. We discovered this product online, and if you're interested in checking the latest price and availability, we've added a link in the description below. So, what exactly is the Garmin STRIKER Vivid 5CV? This advanced fishfinder is designed to enhance your fishing experience with a combination of high-quality sonar technology and built-in GPS capabilities. It features a 5-inch color display with an impressive 800 by 480 pixel resolution, ensuring that you have clear and colorful visuals while out on the water. One of the standout features of the STRIKER Vivid 5CV is its vivid scanning sonar color palettes. It allows you to choose from 7 new color options, making it easier than ever to distinguish between fish and underwater structures. The clarity and contrast of the sonar images are impressive, which can be a game changer when you're trying to locate your next big catch. The device comes equipped with the GT20 transducer, which offers both Garmin Chirp traditional sonar and Chirp ClearVü scanning sonar. This built-in sonar technology provides you with detailed views of what lies beneath your boat, giving you a significant advantage when it comes to spotting fish and understanding the underwater landscape. Another practical feature is the Waypoint marking function. This is particularly beneficial for anglers looking to identify and return to productive fishing spots. By marking waypoints, you can easily navigate back to those hotspots, increasing your chances of a successful fishing trip. The high-sensitivity GPS is another impressive aspect of this fishfinder. It allows you to plan and create routes, as well as monitor your boat's speed right from the device. Whether you're exploring new waters or sticking to your favorite fishing holes, having reliable GPS functionality helps ensure that you stay on track. Lastly, the Quick Draw Contours feature allows you to store up to 2 million acres of maps with 1-foot contours. This means you can create custom maps of the waters you fish, which can be particularly useful for tracking depth changes and identifying key fishing locations. So, who is the Garmin STRIKER Vivid 5CV suitable for? This fishfinder is perfect for both novice anglers and seasoned pros. If you're just starting out in the fishing world, the intuitive interface and clear display make it easy to understand and use. For experienced fishermen, the advanced sonar and mapping capabilities offer a significant edge when it comes to finding fish and navigating waterways. In terms of practical use cases, imagine heading out to your favorite lake or river with the STRIKER Vivid 5CV mounted on your boat. As you glide over the water, you can easily see fish hiding beneath the surface, thanks to the vibrant color palettes. You can mark your favorite locations, track your speed, and even create a detailed map of the area with the Contours feature. Whether you're fishing for sport, planning a family outing, or just enjoying a day on the water, this device can enhance the experience. In summary, the Garmin STRIKER Vivid 5CV Fishfinder with GPS and transducer is a powerful tool that combines clarity, precision, and advanced features to elevate your fishing adventures. With its user-friendly design and high-performance capabilities, it's an investment that can truly pay off for anyone serious about fishing. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.